Hi guys, guten Abend, good evening. This is the highway of the Black Forest. Let's take a look the view here. It's already past 6 o'clock in the evening, and I am right here walking along the highway. I just come from the supermarket, and now I am walking here in the highway. So let's take a look the other side of the highway. I am now here in the bus stop. So let's take a look the view right here. So let's move forward. Let's take a look the other side of the Black Forest. Very dark, very black. This one is a city bus. It's already past 6 o'clock now, and the lights is on, the street lights. So we will look around. We will turn around again to see the beauty of the nature. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will go to another road. I will cross the other side, so I have to stop my video here. Okay, bye bye, and thank you for watching. Bye.